Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu says, he was the Hawari partisan of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and they are called Hawari due to the whiteness of their clothes. Hazrat Hisham bin Urwa reports from his father that Marwan bin al-Hakam said to me, in the year of nosebleed, Hazrat Usman bin Affan suffered from such severe nosebleed that he could not perform the pilgrimage, and he made the will as well. A man from the Quraysh came to him and said, appoint someone as a caliph. He radiyallahu anhu asked, do the people say so? He replied, yes. He asked, who should I appoint? Whereupon he observed silence. Later another man came, I think he was Haris. He said, select someone as a caliph. Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu asked, do the people say so? He replied, yes. He radiyallahu anhu again asked, whom should I appoint? He whereupon became quiet. He said, perhaps the people recommend Zubair. He replied, yes. He said, by him in whose possession my soul is, as far as I know, he is the best amongst them. And Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam had a great love for him. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3717.